The 14th chapter is called Simple Harmonic Motion, and this is a very, very important chapter. Okay. So before I get into the context of what is a simple harmonic motion, I'm going to introduce certain basic terminologies. Okay. First, so when you talk about a motion, what are all the types of motion that come to your mind? Translatory motion. Yeah, translatory motion. You have rotation motion, you have uniform circular motion, something like that, right? So if I try to relate all these motions with respect to time and find how regular they are getting repeated, then what comes to your mind?
Frequency, sir.
Yes, the concept of frequency is going to come into picture. So, but before seeing what is a frequency, I'm going to talk about the first type of motion, which is called as periodic motion. So how do I describe a motion to be periodic in nature? So name it's suggesting, right? Periodic means what?
Recurring motion.
Yes. So can I say it is a type of motion which repeats itself after? Can you complete the statement? Yes, after a certain time. I can say after regular intervals of time. So please write it down. It is a type of motion which repeats itself at regular intervals of time. So that's what a periodic motion means. Okay. Now listen. So next to periodic motion, see there are two things here. One is I'm going to speak about the types of motion, and the second is I'm going to speak about the types of functions. Okay, before that I need to give you some examples. Can you tell me some examples related to periodic motion?
Bob.
Sorry?
Pendulum bob.
Okay, you can say a pendulum which is swinging. Next. You can talk about your clock. Right? Or else I can say the seconds hand in your clock.